All right, today we're going to be looking at teen numbers. Now, when your child was in kindergarten, they used a 10 frame. Now, each of these individual counters was 1 unit. Now we want to make the connection, or continue making the connection, that when we have a full 10 frame, it is now a group of 10. It represents 110. Okay, because that's going to help us with counting so that we're not having to count all of these individually. Because as we work with larger numbers, we want to utilize strategies that are going to be quick. So I have my full 10 frame, and let's say I decide to add on another counter. So I have 10, 11. So I have 11 counters. Of these 11 counters, I have one group of 10 in this 10 frame. And then I have one. So one group of 1. That makes the number 11. Well, if I had to decompose it into a number bond, my whole would be 11. I have my group of 10. And then I have 1. So the number 11 is made up of 1 10 and 1 1. Let's try another number. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I want to figure out how many 10s and how many 1s there are in the number 18. Well, I have one group of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. If I decompose this into a number bond, my whole is 18. I have a group of 10. And then I have my 8 1s. So again, the number 18 is made up of 1 10 and 8 1s. Let's try one more. So remember, you want your child to be able to identify that this is 10, and then they can just count on instead of having to count each one by itself. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In the number 15, I have one group of 10 right here, my full 10 frame. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. If I decompose this in a number bond, my whole is 15. I have my one group of 10. And then I have my 5 ones. Now, this is only the beginning for your child. As they progress through first grade, they will start to work with more groups of 10. Okay? But this is a great introduction as we get into working with numbers larger than 10 and a great introduction to place value as well.